Hi guys, I'm Zach from NerdWorks Media, and in today's video, don't mind the mess behind me, but we are doing our autocross today. So let me flip you guys around here. So we got a bunch of Suzukis, quite a few Miatas. We also got Callum here behind us, a few Swift Sports and stuff. It's really cool. Oh yeah, and then Mix is here with these Torinos, so that's super cool. But yeah, so it looks like we're gonna have a good day. So we've just started all the practice laps and stuff now. I'm letting my car idle up a little bit. So yeah, damn.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Are you good?
I'm good, I'm good.
Good, thank you. Let's see what happens. Let's see, buckling up, please, buckling up.
I'm supposed to be in the cones. I was just getting in the cones.
Alright. Good to go. Let's try. That was way too tight. I think we opened him up and we just give it. Yeah, now this is better. Yeah, it's now good. Yeah, now it's a bit open. Speed and power.
Side. I forgot what he said.
Yeah. Ooh, Charles. Wonder where you are. Oh, he's up.
Oh, too fast.
Yeah, it's too tight, yeah. It's too tight. Wow.
Okay, so that was first round, well, first practice lap. I went a little bit too fast, so on the slaloms and stuff, I was diving way too hard. But it looks like they're also still busy learning basically how big the spacing for the slaloms need to be, because it looks like they're spacing it out for us as well. So hopefully that helps, because especially this last one, I had to dive in super hard. So yeah. Anyway, so that was first practice lap. Okay, practice lap 2. We'll see how this goes. Okay, so I went the wrong way around the circle again, so I made it more difficult for myself. But otherwise, I felt like that was pretty good. Car steps out super easy to get around there. I don't know if that's actually necessarily beneficial though, so yeah. I also hit a lot of cones on that run. Okay, Dan and Callum accidentally ran a third practice run, so we all getting a third practice run now, so this is going to be the third practice run. Third practice run. Unfortunately, I have started to hear a weird noise from my car. I don't know what it is. It sounds like it has something to do with the gearbox of the clutch, maybe? It sounds like it's got a whine of some form. I don't really know how to describe it. I'm dearly hoping that this isn't my gearbox giving up on me, but we'll see. Third practice run.
NANI?! Hello there.
Okay guys, so this I believe is going to be our last run. My girlfriend is in the car with us, so if you hear random mouse squeaks, it's her. This is her hand. Hello.
Help me! Help me!
This is going to be, I believe, our final run. The last run that I did was apparently pretty good. I got a 46. I'm still a bit off Callum. I don't know if we can see Callum up there. He got a 41, so is what it is. But yeah, I'm having a hella good time though. I am ready. Okay guys, so we are finally back from the autocross. It went surprisingly well. So I got in top 5. Basically, I'll go run down the list now. So there was, in first place was the red NB. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea what footage I got because my girlfriend was recording on the outside. And then the last lap, unfortunately, I spun. Kind of. I like half spun. I did manage to catch it. I'm sure you guys saw it in the interior footage, but there's no exterior footage of that, unfortunately. But anyway, first place was the red NB. Second place was the white NA, the other white NA, which is stock, mind you. I'd like to just remind everyone is stock. Roger was driving the car. Absolutely amazing. He drives very well. Third place was Callum. And then fourth place was me. So that's super cool. I got fourth place. Highest I've ever placed. Almost a podium. Almost. But yeah, no, so much fun. A really good day out. My car was making noises and I was getting freaked out. My car's also got weird oil stuff. I will probably show that in the next video. I don't know. Until next time, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video thoroughly. I super had a good time. So I hope you guys did too. So yeah, until next time, guys. Cheers.